Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a file upload vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is remote code execution via web shell upload. So a vulnerable image upload function. So we can upload anything. We need to upload a basic PHP shell and use it to exfiltrate the contents of Home Carlos secrets. Submit this secret, and that's it. We have our own account we can log in as. Sweet. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. As always, I really appreciate those. Nice. It's loaded up fast. All right, let's check out my account. We'll see about uploading an image. So, Wiener Peter. Here's the upload. Let's create a file. So let's do vim cmd.php, something like that. And we'll go PHP. I'm going to do exec, or is it, we can do either exec or system. And then we'll do $. I'm doing all this from memory. Request. This is not good. I'm going to have to look up some stuff here because I don't think this is right. All right. Let's Chrome. Let's go look up a simple. We're going to look up a simple PHP web shell command. There's something like, yeah, system get command. We can do get, but I like request PHP get. I want to do not get. I want to do requests. But this is get. We could use this if we wanted. Here's the format. PHP, boom, request. Yeah, this is what I want to do. All right. I don't see it. There's an example. And then I think we can do it just like this. So I may have had it right. Oh, I need a semicolon. Let's try adding a semicolon right there. And try this. So, yeah, this should get the request command parameter and then execute it with system. That's what I'm expecting this to do. Upload. Back to my account. What? Oh, I need to browse. I've used a website before, I promise. We need to home courses, Web Security Academy, file upload, command, upload. Okay. So avatar. So we should be able to inspect this. Copy link address. Go here. And then do, what did I name it as? CMD. Okay. So put in that parameter. CMD equals who am I? There we go. Sweet. And then the the thing that we wanted to do, I cannot think, was home Carlos secret. Oh, we need to not echo cat. Okay, and that's what we'll submit. Sweet. So in our script, we need to new file, log in, upload file, visit file with param cmd equals at cat home Carlos secret. Extract secret, submit secret. All right, sweet. That's what we need to do. Let's do it. I'm going to upload the same command. Well, I'll probably do it here. Let's go home, copy this, go here, Python utils, create script with this. Yeah. Copy, paste, vim, remote, code execution. Boom. All right. Login. So blog.login, Wiener Peter. This will return a response and cookies. We need to use the cookies to upload a file. And that's going to be, we want to do a different type of post than what we're used to. Proxy, HTTP history. Let's see this one. So we need to do a multi-part form and the content type, if I could find it, there. Multi-part form data. And it has CSRF username. All right. So how do we do that? I think we just use files. So let's do if blog.noproxy requests.post. We need the URL. We'll need files equals files. Cookies equals cookies. And data equals data. Data equals data. That should cover us. Let's get that response. And then else do the same, but with proxies equals utils dot proxies and verify equals false. All right, let's make sure we have these. So URL will equal my account plus avatar. So blog.my_account. And I don't remember if that is that in site or blog? Let's see. My account. It does not end with a trailing / So we need to add it plus, what was it? Avatar. Files. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to look this up. So Python requests files. I want requests, read the docs. Sure. Control F, files. There we go. Files equal, so it's dictionary object with but I can, here we go. File name, content type, and headers. We want to probably do this one. Well, it doesn't necessarily matter for this exploit, but eventually we're going to want to be able to do all of that. Let's just do it like this for this one. File. Oh, we need to know the name of it. And then open read binary. Okay. So let's just put file here for now till we check the name, just so I can remember how to do the rest. This did open the file name. Wasn't it CMD? Okay. CMD.php RB. So we're going to read it in binary mode or bytes mode. I always say the wrong thing when I'm talking about those. Okay, cool. Consider using with. We're not going to do that. Not for this. Oh, we need to check the name. And so it's right here. We need file name instead of file. File name. And then we need data equals a dictionary with username, user. And I'll show you where I got that. So right here, we need this to be the exact same as what it's expecting. And we'll put wiener. And then we need CSRF with CSRF. We'll need to grab that. Make sure I got that right. I did. Okay. So where does the get my account? This should have the CSRF in it. So we can extract the CSRF from this resp. So CSRF equals blog.extract CSRF resp.text. Cool. We need cookies. I don't think I've defined that yet. Cookies equals session. And I'm guessing here that it's session. We haven't actually checked it. Oh, no, we can just use cookies directly. All right. Let's check this. So log.info resp.status code. Let's see if we actually did anything good. Boom. .403. That's no good. Post forbidden. What did we do? We post to my account avatar. Content type multi-part form, which is good. CSR file name. Wait, maybe I messed up this one. Let's see. Post avatar. Name is avatar. I did mess this up. Sorry. Name is avatar. Let's change that. Change word avatar. And let's try that. See if that was the only issue I had. 200. That looks like it was the only issue. Shocking. Yep, says okay. The file avatars/cmd has been uploaded. That's cool. Let's get, what was the URL? Oh, right here. /files/avatars and then the file name. Let's go like this. 3. file URL equals blog.base URL plus, we'll paste this, and then let's do the file name. File name will equal cmd.php, and then here we're going to do file name, so that down here we can do file name there, and then we'll do, I don't think we need a cookie. Let's try it without a cookie. So blog.get response file URL. We'll just try it like that. That'll proxy, so we'll be able to see whether the request was done well or not. 200, okay. Sweet. So all we need to do is put a parameter. Params equals params. Let's do params equals a dictionary called with CMD. We need CMD because remember that's what we put in the PHP file, right? Oh, here. It's looking for a parameter named CMD. So we're going to give it a parameter named CMD, and let's try who am I, just to see what we get. We're going to do resp equals proxy log.info resp.text. What we expect to see is Carlos printed out. Carlos, yeah. And that's it. So we just need to change this. Let's do this again. To command will be cat, what was it? Home, Carlos, secret. And then we're going to extract that. So, and we can just do secret equals resp.text. Let's strip this. Resp.text.strip. I'm not confident in my ability to remember how to strip. A equals although I didn't. We'll put a space there and a space there. A.strip. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Secret. So I just want to kill any white space that may be surrounding it. We'll log.info secret, and then we'll blog.submit solution of secret, and then blog.is solved is solved. And that's it. Pretty cool. Control CD. Yes. All right, let's solve it. Carlos got the secret, submitting, correct answer, lab is solved. Woo woo. Right on. So file upload with a very simple PHP web shell. The web shell looked like this. Used request so that we could send it a get or a post as long as there is a parameter named command in the request. It would then try to execute that with the bash shell or whatever shell it had as default. And that was it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.